At Reading VIPs, we believe correct articulation of sounds has to be practiced. View the tutorial videos to learn how Critter Cards uses animals to articulate all the sounds in phonics. Let's get started. Find pamphlet 1 from the Critter Card deck. If you do not have a Critter Card deck, just follow along with me. Included in pamphlet 1 is a complete chart for you to follow as I explain the organization of the chart and then articulate each Critter Card's phoneme. This chart will become your central guide for your students learning to hear, read, and spell with the Critter Cards. Looking at the chart, one will notice different colored borders around the animals. The colors help the teacher and students to have one more way to help organize and access the phonics system. The first color group is yellow and orange, which are the consonants. Included with the consonants are the short vowels, which are black and gray. The next color group is blue. These are the long vowels. Next, we have the consonant digraphs, which are green. Next, we have the vowel pairs, which are purple. Last but not least are the R-controlled vowels, and these are red. Critter Cards focus on specific phonics skills. Students use the animal-only side of the Critter Card to practice phonemes or sounds to strengthen their auditory skills. Then, students use the side of the card with spelling patterns to strengthen their reading, spelling, and writing skills. For example, the name of this card is Jaguar, the phoneme is J, and you spell J, J, G-E, G-I blank, always at the beginning, blank, D-G-E, always at the end. Note the underscores indicate phonemes spelling is usually in the beginning, middle, or end of word. Remember, each Critter Card has a name, a phoneme or sound attached to the critter's name, and letter patterns to read and spell with.